Life is motion. It's about momentum. As in business, taking action is vital. Day after day, facing challenging decisions, working on new opportunities, you need partners that you can trust. No matter who you are or what comes your way, at Bobst, we know that your success is paramount. And we have solutions for you. The XperFold is outstanding efficiency, foolproof versatility, and highly configurable to produce almost all boxes with very short changeovers. The NovaFold is pure performance, a reliable machine to produce simple applications. The VisionFold, our all-rounder, is perfect to produce various cartons with short settings and changeovers. And the MasterFold is the world's fastest, most automated, and most ergonomic folder gluer. With the most comprehensive portfolio of folder gluer machines, we make your production processes better. Imagine you have configured the AccuCheck quality control system through Bobst Connect to deliver impeccable boxes. You've easily installed the AccuBraille solution. Your applications will be guaranteed to comply. The EasyFeeder Batch Inverter 4 will ensure automated, high-speed feeding, while the GyroBox unit will allow one-pass production for complex cartons. Lastly, High-Performance Packer Carton Pack 4 will automatically fill your shipping containers with folded and glued cartons. We are pioneers in technological breakthroughs thanks to you. We know that, as a forward-thinking decision maker, you deserve your interconnected, customized, and upgradable solution. At Bobst, we don't just sell the best-in-class folder gluers in the industry, we create trusted relationships. Your success is our legacy for many years to come.